Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover files with EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard from the official website. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, launch the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. You will be greeted by a user-friendly interface. Select the location where the files were lost or deleted. Click the Scan button to initiate the scanning process. The program will perform a quick scan first. Wait for the quick scan to finish. Once completed, the software will display found files. If necessary, you can click on Deep Scan for a more thorough search. This may take additional time but will yield more results. After the deep scan, browse through the recovered files. You can utilize the search bar to find specific files quickly. Preview the files to ensure they are the correct ones. Select the files you wish to recover. Click on the Recover button. Choose a safe location to save the recovered files. Avoid saving them back to the original location to prevent overwriting. Wait for the recovery process to complete. Once finished, navigate to the chosen location to access your files. Congratulations, you have successfully recovered your lost data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.